A gaming PC build with Jim RGB gaming case and fans with 11-year-old Gigabyte X58 used motherboard combo. Am I crazy? Maybe, but do I like to save money? I sure do. CPU, RAM, motherboard, $100, which only leaves me needing a CPU cooler, SSD power supply, and graphics. Not too shabby, because I might just have some of it already. If you were to think, hey, old school, why not water cooling? And if you were to watch this part of the video, you would already know it matches the case, it's going to get the job done, and most importantly, it's affordable. When working on electronics, please do research on the dangers of electrical shock before going inside a power supply. With that said, I had to do some cleanup on this one so it can get the best cooling possible. Cue that scrubby dubby music. Why leave the i7-960 and not get a Xeon? Good question, and the simple answer, I might have to update the BIOS microcodes, and then do a switch after I order one. Just remember to take out the sticker at the bottom of the CPU cooler, or you may have to record this part twice. Now how about this gym case? I love it, and it's easy to build with plenty of airflow. If you think it's pricey, it's really not, because it comes with a Jim RGB fan 3-pack with a control box. You can just slap it on your water cooler, put 3 in the front, etc. Front panel illuminates and can be controlled by a button on top. Music panel is a piece of acrylic that illuminates from the bottom up and can be used with the music mode from the wireless remote. And it's very, very cool. With RGB tempered glass, triple channel RAM, GTX 1060, i7-960, 750 watt power supply, CPU overclock, 4 cores, 8 threads, a cheap mouse, a cheap keyboard, Windows 10 on a cheap SSD, leaves only this question. Hey coach, can this kid play? Well, dang, that X58 build did not let down, did it? I should probably take the sticker off. Nah, I won't forget it. Son of a... that stupid sticker, I left it on there, didn't I?